Lesson 2. Seeker. People who see themselves in everyone and everyone in themselves are wise. Their love for the Lord has removed all selfish desires and painful cravings from their hearts. They are not upset by sadness nor chase after pleasure. They are free from desire, fear, and anger. Free from selfish attachments, they are not excited by good fortune or saddened by bad. Just as a tortoise pulls in its limbs, wise people can pull back their senses whenever they want. Even though seekers might avoid pleasures, they still feel a pull towards them. But when they truly see the Lord of love, these desires vanish. For those on the spiritual path, pleasures can distract their mind. Wisdom comes from controlling the mind and keeping it focused on the divine. When you constantly think about something you want, you become attached to it. This attachment leads to strong desire to own it. When you don't get what you want, it leads to sadness. Sadness turns to anger, anger turns to rage, and rage clouds judgment. Without clear judgment, you can't make a wise choice, and this can destroy your life. But if you move through the world without strong likes and dislikes, you will find peace. In this peace, all sadness ends, and you live in the wisdom of your true self. A scattered mind can't think deeply or be peaceful. Without peace, there is no joy. If you let your senses drive you, they will carry you away as storms drive an unanchored boat into the deep ocean. Use all your strength to free your senses from both attachment and aversion. Live in the wisdom of yourself. A wise person finds enlightenment when others are in darkness. What most people consider daytime is actually a time of ignorance for the wise. Rivers run into the sea, but cannot make the vast ocean overflow. In the same way, sensory experiences flow into a wise person without disturbing his inner peace. Those who free themselves from the ego's trap of I, me, and mine, and unite with the universal love, are truly free. Reaching this highest state takes you beyond death to eternal life.